let's start.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Hong, and really thank you for taking the time to meet with me today. And I understand that your organization is currently looking for a solution to better manage our MRO and safety supply needs across the multiple facilities. And right now, I'm very excited to discuss how our company, Fastenal, can address your challenge and add value to your operations.
Oh, good morning, Nick. Thanks for the meeting with me as well. Yes, we are looking for a more streamlined approach for our inventory and supply management. That's why we are looking for some of the business plans. Particularly, our business has like 9 plants in North America. What solutions do you have in your mind for us?
Firstly, let me start by summarizing the key challenge that you have mentioned. So, you currently spend around 500,000 annually on MRO and safety supplies across the multiple suppliers, and regardless with no centralized system to track usage of your purchase, right? And additionally, you guys, some of your plants are operate 24/7, which will definitely require reliable and continuous inventory access. Is that correct?
That's correct, Nick. That's correct. Our plans approach really lacks the consistency. That's what we are looking for, and we are also lacking in the tracking of the significant issue for us. Like, how does your company will help us with that? Like, how?
Okay, so our company Fastenal, we will specialize in tailoring inventory solutions to meet the unique needs of business like yours. And to be further, I recommend three solutions that can really help solving your specific challenge. So, we provide you with industrial vending machines. We have two models, which is Fast 5000 and Fast 3000 vending machines, and it will operate 24/7 and give access to critical inventory and real-time usage tracking. And this machine will definitely reduce the product consumption from 25 to 35%. And the vendor managed inventory that we can consolidate your supply chain by managing your inventory at all locations. Uh, and it will definitely ensure the just-in-time stocking and reducing procurement complexity. And also on-time solutions that we have establish a fastener managed store within your facilities. So that will definitely help set up ensures immediate access to inventory while transferring the inventory management uh, burden of your teams.
That sounds very interesting and looks like you have very upgraded and up to date machines and inventory. That I think that's what we are looking for. I have just one question. Can you just explain me how the machines work to track inventory and reduce consumption?
Yes, sure. Our vending machines are equipped with advanced tracking systems that will log user access and item withdrawal. And this will definitely give detailed report of what was used by whom and when. And then the transparency promotes mindful usage and accountability, typically reducing unnecessary consumptions. And in addition, the machines automatically signals when stock is low, so it will ensure the timely replenishment without overstocking.
Oh, that's good. And like our machines, like it works like 24/7. So how does your company will ensure that these machines will remain operational and stock, especially for our 24/7 plants, like they work non-stop.
Okay, so our because our local service model is the key. So the Fastenal, our company, operates over 2,600 local branches, which means your locations will be supported by a dedicated team. and we will be responsible for restocking, maintenance, and any necessary repairs by needs. And it will definitely solve the 24/7 plans for your companies.
Oh, that's good. Like we have never been switched to a single supplier for the, and this is a big change for us. Like, can you just explain me like it will how this will save the money for us like compared to the different companies and our current approach?
So, for sure. So, by consolidating your suppliers, you will definitely be benefit from consistent pricing across all locations and the reduced freight costs through your efficient logistic network. And in additionally, our solutions, as I already mentioned, will minimize the cost associated with overstocking and emergency orders and administrative overheat. And as I was mentioned earlier, that our branding solution can cut the consumption uh, up to 35%.
Okay, I think that will save a lot of money for us and it will be good for our company also. And just one last question for you, Nick. Like, is your company is just providing the business plans to the other companies, or is there any also customized plans to the companies, like if they are looking for something special solutions?
Uh, so we right now we excels in customizations. So that's why we beginning with a deep assessment of each plan's requirement. So we based on the information that your company provided, that we tailor inventory levels and vending machines configurations and on-site setup to match your specific needs. And this will ensure the location is equipped with the right product without excess.
Oh, okay. It is wonderful. I think this is very good and this is very helpful for us. Like, what are the next steps? Like, what we should do next? Like, how will we just do that?
So okay. Um, so the next step, I would understand that, and our implementation process will include with conducting the site assessment and mapping current workflow. So we will run through all of your current situation, and we'll look for ways to fit our machines in, our vending machines in. And we also do collaborating with inventory and planning setups, which also something that we will add on to your current system. And we will phasing the rollout to minimize disruption. And this will typically will completing the transition within 90 days. So our dedicated implementation team will ensure everything runs smoothly and without no supply chain interruptions.
Oh, that's wonderful. Like, let's do it. Like, let's work together. I have just one question. Do you have any like PowerPoint PPT presentation that I can just provide it to my team and l- tell them how this works like to my shareholders? Like, do you have any PowerPoint presentation for that?
Sure. Yeah. Right now, I actually have a presentation here, and then I can show it to you. Just a minute. Let me try to share my screen.
Yeah, take your time.
Yeah. Can you see my screen now? Okay.
Yeah, I'm able to see your screen. Yeah.
Yeah. So currently, I uh, I have digged in some of your company's needs, and we comes up with the benefits that if your companies are collaborating with us, that and this is our background, and we this is all of those solutions that I can come up with that if your company is starting to invest, then we will certainly ensure you that your companies will gain this benefit. And the next step that we need just to follow up with all the initial needs that um, that was provided by you and your companies, and then I hope that we will have a good collaborations in the futures. And thank you for listening and invest in our companies. Thank you.
Yeah, we will have a good business. Thank you so much, Nick, for explanation. I just got it really well. And yeah, we can just work together. See you, Nick. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day too, Mr.